Hi guys, welcome to Deactivation channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your uh, Discord channel. So in this case, you have to go here, your username, or sorry, don't click. Just go to this user settings. Then you can find here my account, the first option. Scroll down and you'll find here disable account. If you want to deactivate or disable your Discord account for now, just click on this and you'll pop up a thing. You own servers, so you have to in order to delete or disable your account, you must transfer your ownership to another one. So that means if you have servers, you have to give ownership to others or any person, then you can deactivate your account. Okay guys, so after that, after giving ownership of your servers, click here and deactivate your account easily. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.